Turn on the fan.
Got it. Turning fan on.
Oh, wow! Kaya magpagana ng electric fan itong Google TV box na to? Yes, panoorin hanggang dulo kung paano. Shoutout muna tayo kay Sir Jairus, no? Sabi niya, pwede po ba yan gamitin kahit hindi smart TV? Yes, as long as merong HDMI port, pwede yan. So yun na nga, no? Gumamit lang pala ako dito ng smart plug device. Sample.
Turn on the light.
Sure. Turning 2 lights on.
Turn on the fan.
Got it. Turning fan on.
Turn off the light and the fan.
Alright. Turning 2 outlets off.
O, diba? Ang lakas makasyala. Kung gusto mo ng something nyo sa bahay nyo, ito na yun mga lods. Basta meron ka lang smart plug device na Google supported, i-connect lang to sa Google Home app. At makokontrol mo na siya via Google Voice Assistant. At ang nagusto ko dito, maraming downloadable games.
Uy!
At sobrang daming apps sa pagpipilian. Tapos pwede ka pa maglagay ng wallpaper via Google Photos. Kaya naman kung may katanungan ka, let me know in the comments. Salamat!